Good morning, y'all. So doing a bit of an impromptu vlog today. I figured that since I'm actually like doing something, well, not really anything, I'm just gonna get my hair done and I have like some things to take care of throughout the day, but I figured that since I was, you know, actually moving around today, that I would go ahead and vlog my day for you guys, and kind of just bring you guys along with me as I tackle my daily routine. I've been up since about 5:45 because, like I said, I'm going to get my hair done today, so I'm going to get it installed, which essentially means I'm going to get some extensions added in. But I'm actually up prepping my hair this early because I have a client in a couple hours. Make sure that my hair is ready to go because I'm essentially going to go for my client to my hair appointment. Honestly, I did not have to do this before I got there because she does do a wash and style whenever I get there. Well, if you guys have watched me or have watched my vlogs for a while now, then you guys know that I relax my edges occasionally. But I've also noticed though that whenever I don't do it, like because of how curly my natural hair is, whenever my edges and like my little pieces of my little sideburns and stuff aren't relaxed, they revert back, meaning that they curl back up so quickly. And so honestly, this is just like 10 times easier because I don't have to worry about, you know, my edges like reverting or like puffing up or things like that. It's just much easier to style. But I have been using this particular brand and this particular one for like 2 or 3 years now. I don't know, this is the only one I get because I'm a creature of habit and it has not done me wrong. The African Pride Olive Miracle, and yes, I buy a whole thing of relaxer just to only use like this much of it, but gotta do what you gotta do. So I always look forward to hair day. I do. Like, I swear there is nothing better than the feeling of a fresh hairdo and like getting my hair done. It's glorious. And also, I've just been wearing my natural hair pressed out, which my hair, you guys, has grown so much. Like right now, I'm officially at armpit length. I'm trying to grow it out until I can reach bra strap length. And then like anything past that is just too long for me. To be honest, I'm barely struggling right now to even keep it as long as it is. I'm trying to keep growing it out only so that I can see it reach bra strap length, which it has reached bra strap length before, like a couple years ago. And then since then, I've just kept cutting it. And so now that it's grown, you know, as much as it has, I'm like, okay, if we can get it to bra strap length, just so I can kind of see it, and then like after that, I'm gonna cut it all off. So let me go ahead and hop in the shower and then get myself ready to head to my appointment. All right, y'all, it's 8:30. I'm about to rush out the door. Had to, of course, first stop and make some cold brew coffee, because it's just one of those mornings and I'm struggling. So this is like my magic juice to get me going. Gotta go ahead and pack my stuff in the car and then gotta be on the way. I just wrapped up my client. It went great. She loved her look. We did like a really pretty like rose gold berry eye and like a really pretty brown nude lip. It was gorgeous. And now I'm headed to my hair appointment. I'm running late, so I'm trying to, I don't want to speed, but y'all, I'm not having the best morning, okay? First of all, this morning on the way to my client, I got stopped by a train, but like not just like slowed down by a train. I mean like the train literally stopped on the train tracks. It took like 10-15 minutes for it to pass through, which is insane. So that was a headache in itself. And then on top of that, I lost one of my wedding bands. It's somewhere in this car, but what's crazy is because whenever I do makeup or do clients, I don't wear rings. I can't wear it whenever I'm doing makeup because I got makeup all over it. But I also don't like taking it on and off because I'm very prone to losing it. This morning though, I was like, let me go ahead and just put it on because since I'm going somewhere else after my appointment, like I could put my ring back on. She did it with my first mind and never put it on because I was in the car and then I was taking it off to go into, you know, my studio to do my client. And as I was taking it off, it like flew off somewhere in this car. I didn't even see where it went. It's somewhere in here. I looked for it, I can't find it. Dion's gonna kill me. But hopefully I can find it sooner or later, but I've misplaced it before in the car and it took us forever to find it. So that's my morning. So I'm hoping that getting my hair done and all that good jazz will like make this day a little better. Just pulled up to my hair appointment, about to go in. I just put my hair into little buns. It's still a little damp because I didn't have time to blow dry it before I left the house this morning. So which was just fine because she'll blow dry it when I get in there. But I want to show you guys the before. So I am installing, of course, hair from my luxury hair extension line. If you guys don't know, I have a luxury hair extension line called Icon Hair, and so these are the straight bundles from Icon Hair. Last install I did the Cambodian natural wavy, which I loved, and I have been dying to get some inches with the straight bundles as well. But again, y'all just look at that body, that luster. I have 18 inches and 20 inches, so I can't wait to install this. But just look at how gorgeous it is. I love this hair so much. I just walked out of the hair salon, literally just walked out, and I'm feeling like a whole new woman. Like, I love it, and it blends perfectly with my hair. Like, you can even see where my natural hair starts and where the extensions begin. Like, that's how flawless it looks on both sides. And so she went in and like layered it, framed the front. So we just used 3 bundles, 2 20s and an 18, but it looks so good. And I literally feel like a whole new woman, and I am obsessed with it. Made it back home and I am so exhausted. It's like 8 o'clock in the evening. I'm so tired. I already went ahead and wrapped my hair back up because I'm about to crash. Like, I can just feel myself about to be out like a light. But I went ahead and stopped and got Smoothie King for dinner. I get my go-to all the time. My favorite smoothie of theirs is the Pre-Mama. That's what it's called. I believe that it was created specifically for expecting moms, but of course I'm not expecting. So I actually just sub out the prenatal vitamin for a regular multivitamin, and that's just how I do it. And then get it with no stevia. And then I also went and got my nails done. So one thing I didn't mention earlier today whenever I was ranting about my morning, because you guys saw, or you guys heard that not only did I get like stalled by a train, and not only did I also lose my wedding band, which I still have not been able to find. Dion has been helping me try to find it, and we cannot find it anywhere. Also, this morning, I actually broke 2 nails. I mean, like that super painful split down the center. And I did that for 2 nails. This one here broke and this one right here. And it was painful, like I was bleeding. Like it was like blood gushing out. That's like how gross it was. So that also, of course, added to, you know, my morning. But anywho, I'm about to hop in the shower and then get in bed. It's about 8:30 right now, and I need to go through my core syllabus for my 3 classes for the semester. This is my first semester taking 3 classes. I've only done 2 per semester the past year and a half. So like I'm doing 3 this semester and I'm already dreading it, but it'll be fine. I'll get through it. I told Dion that I wanted to like go buy a couple model homes. I don't know, y'all know how it is. I love looking at homes. I love them. So I've been like having an itch just to go visit some, just for some inspiration. We had said we'll probably go and stop by and see like 1 or 2 on the way to our goddaughter's first birthday party, which is tomorrow. So it is Saturday afternoon. It's been a little minute since I vlogged, but I slept well, felt refreshed. I had a client early this morning, came home, took a nap, which was great, and then I pulled myself together. I feel so good. I put on makeup and all that good stuff. Kept it really simple. Have on this cute little sundress that I got from Misguided, and then I got my sexy chocolate over there looking all good and whatnot. Look like you don't hear me. We're headed to our goddaughter's first birthday party, but I wanted to try to stop by like 1 model home at least. I've been itching to go into model homes. Dion knows how much I love doing it, and honestly, it's a lot of fun, isn't it? You love it. Don't try to play, because when you get in there, you be like, oh, I want to do this and I want to do that.
I wouldn't say I love it. I would say it's interesting.
Okay, it's interesting. It's fun to me. I love it. I can literally do it all day. Stop by, get some inspiration, you know, for not only for our current home, but just kind of like, I mean, like, we have a while before you buy our dream home. Like, it's never too early to start planning. So, y'all looking like, okay, let me slow down. I try to stop by one. It closes at 6. It's 5. Our ETA is 5:44, so hopefully they'll let us go into one of them, because you know some they kind of close early. Okay, y'all, so the model homes were closed, but we're kind of just driving around now, just kind of get an idea of like what we like, the aesthetic, the style, all that good stuff. And as soon as we kind of drove up in front of this one, I was like, ooh, like I love the style and the aesthetic of this one. It looks kind of small from the outside, and maybe a one-story, you can't really tell, but I love like that white stucco. I love the black roof. I love like how the lights are in the front. Even though the garage, like, it's definitely more modern, but not like too much. Like, it kind of has like that homey feel, if that makes sense. What do you think about it?
I don't like it.
He doesn't like it. Okay, what don't you like about it?
Everything.
Everything?
The first thing you notice, the first thing when you pull up on it is the roof. It's like, what did you pay for the roof of the house? That's it.
Okay, I can see that because I feel like the roof does take up a lot. Like over here, like that's pretty much all. That's like all roofing. So that's why I'm thinking that because it's so much roof, it has to be pretty small on the inside because it's way too much roof, right?
Possibly. I don't know. The ceilings could be lofted.
Yeah, but these right here can't be rooms. You know what I'm saying? Like that has to probably be all attic.
I think it would probably be all attic.
Yeah, I mean, it's probably like vaulted ceilings from the inside, but I don't think there will be two floors in there. Okay, so we were talking about how we don't like the style. This one is very, I don't know what this is called. So we love how on this one, even like we don't like the style of this house, like the exterior style, and that blue is hideous. We like how on this one though, how it has almost like a little foyer, not even a foyer, I don't know what to call it, but basically like you kind of walk through this area and it's like a whole like little open space before you get to the front door, and that's pretty cool. So that we do like. The overall style is not it. Okay, so we were able to kind of come into one home that's under construction. Ooh, we look like the fixtures. No, you hate them. Those light fixtures. Really medieval. Okay, so we were able to kind of come into one that's under construction. This, I will say, this entryway.
Ooh, they do have the
is kind of underwhelming. I feel like this should have like 2 staircases to make it be more, but I guess it's like the formal dining. It's like you'll have the dining table there, lights, and then this is what you see when you come. So you have the office. Okay, so one thing I like about this house in particular is that it essentially has a 4-car garage, but Dion was saying that this would essentially be like his gym. So you would have like a gym space coming through the garage. You have the office. Here's the front door. So here's that, and you come in through here. And then here's the open area. So you have the kitchen, an island, you have like the breakfast nook area. Me and Dion said that for sure. We're for sure gonna have the sliding back doors. So like, you know how in our house, how you have like the 3 windows and you have like 3 small ones at the top? So we want like the whole back area to pretty much be like all windows. So like we like this, but we wish that it had like more windows, like even more windows to really make it, you know, nice and open. But like we're for sure gonna have like the sliding back doors. The kitchen right here. I agree. I thought it was just me. I'm like, this is not, it's kind of underwhelming, low key. Oh, I love these countertops. Ooh, I love that. It's like an infinity waterfall island. I love that. I also love the backsplash, which is kind of similar to ours, honestly. But so that's double oven right there. You'll have the stove, fridge. Yeah, obsessed with the counters. Oh, this home has a set of back stairs, which is nice because, you know, depending on where you come from the house.
This is the office.
Okay, you're right. That is the office. Okay, so that must be the formal living in the front. Okay, question. In our dream home, do you want to do a formal dining again? I don't know why. I don't know why Dion's so set on the formal dining space, but anyways.
Oh, this is a room.
This is a room?
A room, yeah.
Okay, so
We keep the managed child back here.
Okay, so the managed child.
Yeah.
What the heck is the managed child?
The one that needs to be managed the most.
Oh, the managed child.
And I didn't say managed. I said managed.
Oh, the kid that ain't gonna know how to act.
Yeah, that was the urban way.
Okay, so there is a bedroom. I like how you look up, you can kind of see a little bit, and that's open to below as well. There's a front view. And then this must be the master, which is like the exact same size as our room. This is pretty much like the exact same size as our current room.
Actually, maybe a little bit tiny bigger.
Okay, the bathroom, no. The bathroom. Ooh, look at the tile. And they did like a chevron print. Like this I love. And they kind of have it similar to us where they have like the separate vanities. So this is like the hers and this is the his. But they have like the separate standalone tub. Okay, and then there's a shower. I love the towel goes all the way up. I told Dion that I wish that in our current house that we could have got the towel all the way to the ceiling because it makes such a big difference. Oh, they have his and her closets. Okay, so they have that same toweling going all the way through the closets. In that closet, so here's the bathroom, right? And then you walk through the closet and then you come out here and you walk into the laundry room. And then you can turn around here and walk back out into, now this is cool, I like this. Y'all, this bathroom though, I am obsessed with it. Okay, gonna go back out here. Dion's already upstairs. Okay, there we go, there we go. And then let's just go upstairs real quick. Okay, so here's your view upstairs. Okay, I love the view. Okay, so over here, there's like a little closet, and this must be like the game room space, and then those are the stairs that connect down by the kitchen. Okay, so there's the room, bathroom, simple bathroom. There's a bedroom. This must be like, is this laundry room too? I have no idea what this is. Game room. Okay, so 2 bedrooms over there. 1 bedroom right here. Yeah, there's the one downstairs. There's a master. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms.
And a movie room.
And a movie room. And a game room. And there you go. Okay, so we finished up our goddaughter's first birthday. And now we are having a really late dinner at this place called State Fair Kitchen and Bar. We're at the Sugar Land location. It's brand new. But the decor in here is so cute. I'm like loving the vibe. But it's late. We're both tired, aren't you, Papa?
I'm not that tired.
No. You was just in the car, you was tired.
I said I was tired, but I'm not that tired. I still got stuff to do, so I can't.
I got you. So I'm trying the H-Town hot fried chicken. We'll see how that is. Hopefully Dion can get his smoked wings. We'll see. You hungry, babe?
Actually, I'm not hungry, but I want to try.
Well, you ate the party. You're not that hungry.
No, I didn't.
I mean, I didn't eat the party.
I'm not that hungry, but so.
Whatever. You gonna eat something.
I am gonna eat something.